The open plan living area is floorboards with a split system Mitsubishi aircon and heater with stunning views to the greenery outside, as well as a door to the enclosed balcony where it's completely undercover and nice and enclosed, which I'm assuming will prevent a lot of the noise from your neighbours' balconies. The study area is just a little tucked away area here that's open plan to the living area and has full floor to ceiling cupboards that are push to open on both sides. The kitchen is with stone bench tops, electric cooking facilities and a fridge space that is integrated with a door. Plenty of cupboards and an integrated dishwasher as well. With a space for the microwave. The bedroom has carpet and a view of the balcony with mirrored robes The bathroom is fully tiled from floor to ceiling with timber vanity, mirrored cupboards, the toilet and double-sized shower. The laundry separate, enough room there for washing machine and potentially a dryer attached to the wall. The beauty of this laundry, which is different to other apartments in the complex, is it has plenty of storage in this room as well. The Rise Apartments and Mason Square Gardens has access to a beautiful glistening swimming pool that is half exposed and half undercover. The apartments also have a barbecue facilities for all to enjoy, together with the swimming pool and courtyard grounds.